Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we will learn about another very important part of speech, and that is adverb. So now without further delay, let's move toward today's topic. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that gives us more information about a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. Now let me give you some examples to understand this definition better. As I said, adverb gives us more information about a verb. Now look at this sentence. She runs quickly. Here she is a pronoun and a subject as well, and runs is a verb which is showing her action. And quickly is an adverb here because it is giving us more information about the verb run. It is telling that how does she run? She runs quickly. It is telling about her action. So that's why it is an adverb here. Secondly, I said adverb gives us information about an adjective. Now look at this sentence. She is beautiful. Here beautiful is an adjective because it is modifying the pronoun she. Now look at this sentence. She is quite beautiful. Now here the word quite is an adverb because it is giving us more information about the adjective beautiful. It is telling that to what extent she is beautiful. She is quite beautiful. Okay, so it is an adverb because it is giving us more information about her beauty, about the adjective beautiful. And the last, I said that an adverb also gives us more information about another adverb. Now look at this sentence. She runs quickly. Here quickly is an adverb because it is telling us about her action of running. Now look at this sentence. She runs too quickly. Here too is another adverb which is telling us more about the adverb quickly. It is telling that she runs quickly, but to what extent? Too quickly. So you saw that an adverb also modifies another adverb. So hopefully you understood the definition well, that an adverb tells us about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. If you found this video helpful, if you learned something new, then must subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video, share with your friends. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.